Oh, it broke? No way. Hey, so John, when you do it in this video, I'm going to show you how I installed these shutters. All right, these are Mid-America panels. These are Colonial panels. They are vinyl, and we're going to install them on the shed to the left and the right of my windows. It says here for the plastic shutter fasteners, you need to drill a 1/4 inch diameter hole in 4 corners of each shutter. I already measured 3 of the corners, and now I need a 1/4 inch bit. All right, and then I run it through just to make sure it's a perfect hole, because if you don't, you can end up with a couple burrs in there. That'll be a problem. I think that motorcycle wants you to make sure you hear him. It's funny. Very loud. I still hear him. He's like a couple miles up the road now. Okay. 3/4 inch. Right there. Okay, the reason why I'm doing 3/4 of an inch from the top and the side is because it's 1.5 inches wide, practically. So I'll just give it a little mark with a pencil. A little mark with a pencil. Lets us know right where we got to drill. If I were doing multiples of these, I would make a jig so I knew the exact spot that we had to drill, and I would just place that jig over top, and boom, we would be done drilling holes in each one. You guys still hear that cycle. It's funny. Alright, so now I'm just going to look and guess where we're putting this. Try to align it with the top of the window, it looks like. Okay, we got our first hole drilled. Second hole. Just double check that we're lined up. Yep, we are. Oopsie. Just make sure we're still lined in a hole. Yep, we are. Okay, that's a stud. Good to know. All right, so. Okay, that went through. That went through. Good. Okay, now we need our hammer. Yes. Don't want it to be too tight. I definitely want it against the siding. Definitely nice. All right, now we're going to do the other side. It needs to be lined up at the bottom of the window, and if that's the case, we're good. Still lined up, right? All right. Let's see here. Oh, it broke? No way. No way. Wonder if I can fix it with some stuff. Be able to flip it over and use it this way. That's not going to work. I really need to glue it. Wow, that stinks. Maybe they have replacement ones that I can get from someplace. So we'll push this one in, right? Oh, come on. Oh no, that one's busting too. Oh, that stinks. Ah, come on, man. Just gotta make it through a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't want to be too aggressive, so I learned my lesson there. Right. Just real light taps. Real light. Okay. Yeah, so I'll need to get a replacement one for that. in too much. See, can I prop it out? Did they actually reverse? A little better. Hey, look at that. We got our shutters installed, boy. Yeah, so these are Mid-America shutters, colonial style panels that are raised panels that really add a lot of flavor to the shed. These are Mid-America colonial panels. They come solid, and you have to decide if you're going to use screws or you're going to use the vinyl push-in panel holders. Now, I did break one of the vinyl panel holders, so I have to see if I can buy another set. I'm certain I can, and I'll replace the one. It's this one right here that I broke, so it doesn't really have a good hold in the shed. It has somewhat of a hold in the siding, but if we get a really big windstorm, it could rip it out. So I really need to take care and do that soon because we're always having storms. Now the panels where I decided to mount the holes was every 3 1/4 inch from the outside and from the bottom or the top. And I did that so it's a consistent look across all the panels. So now you can see that's what it looks like, and I'm really happy with it. And you don't want to put a lot of pressure on your siding, so it's not really like super tight against the siding. Matter of fact, I did that one, I pushed this one a little bit too aggressive, and it was really deforming the siding, so I very carefully pried it out, and I was fortunate that it did come out. So I'm happy with the look. It's the panels are just a little bit short by 2 inches for the entire window, but I'm totally cool with it because it looks like it covers the window, which the window is the window portion, not the J channel, is the exact height of the panels themselves. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase, and I think you would be too. So let me know what you think about installing your own shutters instead of hiring like a handyman or something. Maybe you have to hire a handyman. Maybe you watched this video and you decided, you know what, I've seen enough. I know what's involved in it. I'll leave it up to the professionals. That's totally cool. I'm here to empower you to do it or to make the decision on your own after you watch my video to decide if you want to do it or leave it up to a professional. Because I don't do it, you do it. All right. Just real light taps.